Mr. N. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, prays for an adjournment in the matter on account of personal inconvenience. Also, prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the respondents. Accordingly, registry to list this matters again after 2 weeks on a date to be explained. Yes, you are there.
My lord, item number 17, man. Maybe adjourn for the day. I have taken consent from the petitioners.
Why?
My lord, Miss M.D. Bora is absent today due to
A
some
prayer is made on behalf of Ms. M.D. Bora, Learned
cooperation.
Standing Counsel Cooperative Department for an adjournment in the matter on account of personal inconvenience. Also, prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be explained.
Public.
Hey, pleasure also. I would like to mention item number 8. To be listed after 2 weeks.
Why?
To file affidavit in opposition.
Huh?
To file affidavit in opposition
On behalf of?
on behalf of defendant 4.
What is the matter?
Your lordship will have to take assistance from my engaged counsel. I'm on behalf
You are
of
not
the
there in the case. Let the matter be called up. We'll pass on. We'll adjourn. Let the matter be called up.
public.
Please, Your Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 6 of the daily list.
Why?
My senior Mr. S.S. Roy is out of station. So kindly adjourn the matter for the day and fix us another date.
Upward MD Bora it was in. It was SS Royal already. No. It would next same order SS Royal. CGC.
My presence in this.
Oh, daily fee. Daily fee case. Mr. R. Mujumdar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, is present. Six. Implemented.
My lord, the government of Assam has filed an appeal, madam, with appeal
Against this order.
against this order, madam.
When? There is a delay, that means.
No delay, madam.
No delay.
File, madam.
Against that order passed in the interlocutory
Madam.
application.
Against the order 5-6.
You have got a copy.
No, will not submit, madam.
No caveat.
No.
Mr. S.P. Das, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respond number 3 and 4, has submitted that an appeal has been preferred against the order dated 5/6/2025 passed by the coordinate bench of this court in IA bracketed civil 1350/2024. So accordingly, the present writ petition stands adjourned. So registry to list this matter after disposal of the said writ appeal, being writ appeal number,
My lord, writ appeal filing number.
writ appeal filing number. No, writ appeal number, Likha.
Writ appeal filing number.
Writ appeal, what is that number?
My lord, 8616.
8616 of 2025 bracketed,
Dated 7/7.
bracketed filing number. Parties are at liberty to mention the matter upon disposal of the said writ appeal.
All right, leave it open.
I am sorry for that. EN4, my lord, Honorable directed to file a cost title. Cost title is ready, but they be inadvertently, my lord, will not file, my lord. And in respect of 5 is concerned, I is not disposed of.
Item 5 only.
Implement, my lord.
Okay.
Cost title inadvertently, I was not.
Item number 5 to I.
5I is not disposed of.
IA
IA 316 of 2025. IA 316 of 2025, madam.
Okay, we'll consider that. Now tell me, you were admittedly appointed as contractual labor by contractual workers by the management.
Management.
But the health department.
So what is your prayer here?
Prayer is for regularization, my lord.
Show me the law.
My lord.
Show me the law.
law is Mr. Jago, my lord, versus Union of India.
Jago is also then, after that, there are many cases, Supreme Court.
Yes.
You are just a contractual appointee.
More than, my lord, 20 years, my lord, we are working as a contractual.
Why have you not appeared?
Jago
for-
is specifically stated that the contextual
That is
appointment.
in the facts of that case. We have already held that in the division bench.
And other so many judgments are today, I'm not aware about this due to, my lord, the technical reason, my lord, I am not.
Technical reason, what is
Because
this
of that,
technical reason?
And from
Yes,
2000,
they are under
from
the NHM or
2012,
under
my
you.
lord, and there is so many.
They are under NHM or under you.
No, my lord, someone under my lord, the health department, under a particular scheme. We have
Scheme
no
only.
scheme, yes. The scheme is.
So you continue till the scheme is there.
No, my lord.
Yes.
The person to 3rd April, my lord, if your lordship go to the IA, my lord, IM implemented IA, there is a order, my lord.
In the IA.
Page, annexure
IA
9,
number?
page 14 of the IA 216, 2025. For implement, my lord. T16.
316.
Page
This is
14.
an item number 5,
Yes, page 14,
page 14.
my lord.
Yeah,
This letter was on 3rd April 2012, my lord. We are on revised national tuberculosis program, my lord. In
You
superstition
will
of our,
continue till the scheme is in operation.
no, still is there, my lord. The other state is concerned all over in India, all are
West Bengal
regularized.
and somebody had already regularized.
Yes, all over world, all over India, my lord, all other states are regularized except the Assam, my lord. And their proposals are also there.
Okay.
So many
In 316, what is the order required? Implementing
implementing, my lord,
Implementing?
NSM.
as respondent number
Respond number
11.
11, my lord.
IA 195, 2025, same order. Kali, in view of the above, implement of mission director NHM is allowed as respondent number 11. Kali, last line on as prayed for as respondent number 11. IA stands disposed of. Main case order, 3027. 3027 to division. ইয়াতে তোমাৰ এই অৰ্ডাৰটো WPC 323022 যিটো অৰ্ডাৰ আছে 10/2/25 same order ইয়াতে আহিব খালি IA নাম্বাৰটো বদলিব IA নাম্বাৰটো আহিব আৰু তুমি লিখা item number WPC number 3230 listed along with listed after 4 weeks বুলি আছে along with WPC number 323022 and 719621. Full 21. Our episode to me 3230 আৰু 7196 same order was কৰিলো এটা order was কৰিলো on the Mr. N. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, praised that he be granted a week, 2 days time to file the amended clause title in terms of the directions passed by this court by order dated 10/2/2025. Also, a registry to list these matters
Well, after 2
after
weeks.
4 weeks, along with WPC number 302722. ठीक है sir?
Some of the petitions are going to be in September.
Or one, for that case, we'll have to give him some time. Third case.
I'm praying for 2 weeks. I'm
এই
going to
4 weeks,
September.
4 weeks বুলি লিখিছিলো না আগৰ কেছটো এইটো 2 weeks কৰি দিয়া 2 weeks কৰি দিয়া আৰু এইটো after 2 weeks কৰি দিয়া তোমাৰ এটা অৰ্ডাৰ হ'ব 302722 আৰু এটা অৰ্ডাৰ IA হ'ব আৰু এটা অৰ্ডাৰ হ'ব তোমাৰ 3230 আৰু 7196 ঠিক আছে দিয়া
Much will.
Lordship, may I please, Lordship, the matter relates to promotion of the post of superintendent of director of the employment and custom planning.
The post of superintendent against the roster point of ST was not done. The government has filed its affidavit. You have not filed a reply. You're not filing a reply.
After
Huh? Where is your file?
5.
Not appreciated. Not appreciated. Next time, I should not see you without a file. Yes, you are appearing for?
I'm appearing for P Deca, for defendant number, respondent number 4.
4. What do you want?
I want the matter to be listed after 2 weeks
Why?
for filing affidavit in opposition.
Your name?
I Bhattacharya.
Mr. I. Bhattacharya, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. P. Deca, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 4, submits that he be granted 2 weeks' time to file an affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 4. Full stop. The registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks or 4 weeks. 4 weeks. In the meantime, the parties are at liberty to complete their pleadings. Mr. R. Dhor, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, is present for the state respondents. Right. It is stated at the bar that the pleadings have been completed. Pleadings are complete.
But now today is fixed for admission hearing, madam.
Huh.
That are already complete.
Okay. That qualification of whether you have, what is your qualification?
My qualification is madam BSc Botany, Chemistry, Zoology, plus madam 2 years diploma in medical lab technology.
They say
That is
that,
the equivalent to madam BSc
where,
medical
how
lab.
do I determine that equivalency? How do I understand that equivalency? From where, which document?
Madam, equivalent is not defined in any manner in the.
Because they say
aims
they
to
have,
ultimate.
they have revised the qualifications,
Madam.
eligibility.
Madam,
And
kindly have a look at page 41.
if you can come to page 22 for a second, 32 for a second,
Well, page 13.
32. Post is technical assistant, technician, laboratory. That's a post. This is the qualification they say,
Qualification is BSc in medical lab technology or equivalent.
or equivalent.
Madam.
Now, this equivalency, how do we
Madam.
determine?
Madam, page 42, madam. Page 41, kindly look.
41.
41. Madam. That is a report of the coordination committee for bringing uniformity in the recruitment rules of various non-faculty posts, their nomenclature, qualification, and pay scale of AIMS, New Delhi. Madam.
So this is, but they say it's in the draft stage. It has not been finally accepted.
Madam, page 42, kindly have a look. Madam.
We have seen it. Laboratory, technician laboratory, BSc Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Biology,
And
diploma plus diploma in
lab
medical lab. You have this diploma in medical,
Madam.
2 years.
Madam. And in fact, my lord, I have already, my lord, serving the post ballot, that the same post ballot I have now serving that. AIMS, my lord.
Aims somewhere in
Delhi, my lord.
Huh?
Delhi.
Delhi.
No, Delhi, no, my
No, not in Raebareli.
library, right.
Heard,
My lord, kindly have a look, my lord, kindly have a look.
it's okay.
This
They
is
are
the-
not there. They are not
This
there.
is
We
a
will,
recruitment non-faculty post of AIMS, New Delhi, my lord.
we'll hear it.
My lord, there is a recruitment rules in
I
the
got
year
it.
2015, my lord.
This will
AIMS,
have to
Delhi.
be, this will have to be gone into a bit. Heard Mr. A. Khanikar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. None appears for the respondents. Full stop. For the ends of justice, registry to list this matters again on, give me a date.
My lord, sort it, my lord, otherwise, my lord,
Next week,
next week.
Pudina Pari next week. Kali all of 9, huh? 28, 28, 31st, 31/7/2025 for admission hearing.
Diploma.
It pleases your lordship. This lordship, this petitioner was engaged as temporary fixed pay employee. in
Miss Sharma.
2014.
There's 9,000 enhancement occasioned in 2018.
Lordship,
Whether thereafter there is no order enhancing the wages of the government of Assam.
Lordship, that I will have to assert.
Why have you not
finance-
brought that on in your affidavit?
Fixed pay is 9,000 rupees.
It's still 9,000. Whether it has been not enhanced.
So, my lord.
Huh?
I will have the instruction. It has been enhanced to 11,000 or
Ah.
so.
That much she is entitled.
Yes, Lord.
Well, let me place that notification.
Okay. Mr. Hut,
And look,
Miss,
there is another prayer. There is the service benefits were not provided to this employee, sir.
we
That
will
is
see,
another
we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Your name?
Miss Answer.
MSN Chaudhary, heard Mr. MSN Chaudhary, Learned Council for Deputation. Also heard Miss U Sharma, Learned
Oh,
Government
one,
Advocate,
two, four.
appearing for the respondents number
1, 2, 3, and 4, Lordship.
1, 2, 3, and 4, and Mr. B Gogoi, Additional Advocate General, appearing for the respondent number 5 and 6. Mr. Gogoi, Learned Additional Advocate General, submits that he be granted a week's time, 2 weeks' time, to place on record the notifications issued by the government of Assam enhancing the wages of the
Fixed pay worker.
wages of the daily wage, oblique casual, oblique fixed pay employees working in various institutions under the government of Assam. Full stop. Prayer accepted, a registry to list these matters after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed. Let us get that, we'll see.
Also,
Hmm.
we had a newly engaged set of council also. We have recently entered appearance also.
Who?
Myself
Okay, you have conducted.
and the
There is already an interim order in your favor.
entry motor is
My lord,
in my favor. Lordship.
That
Only
interim
it's-
order said, my lord, that if not already disengaged, they may be
they
continued.
are
But my lord,
continuing,
they
yes.
were already disengaged. It is.
That
in the
is
petition.
between you both. If they are continuing, they are continuing. If they are disengaged, they are disengaged. What about the affidavit?
Affidavit, my lord, the petition, my lord, speaks of itself because the program.
No
was done-
affidavit, no affidavit is required. You want to file some?
In fact, they were on contractual year-to-year extension and it was co-terminus with the program. Now, that has been
Discontinued.
discontinued.
Program has been discontinued.
No, no, Lordship. No, Lordship.
Can you give me some material?
No, Lordship.
It is in the petition itself, my lord.
Where?
No, ZKMS is still there. Lordship.
28 of the.
ZKMS
petition, my lord.
Gramin Krishi Mosam Seva. Annex 3 Lordship.
Page 28. my
Has
lord.
been continued to 31st March 2026. NSK 3. Page 27. Lordship.
Mosam Seva.
Mosam.
You are for Gramin Krishi
we are for-
Mosam Seva.
We are for district agromet unit. Lordship.
Agromet units have been discontinued.
Lordship, that is that's why you are before your Lordship. The entire
If they are discontinuing the scheme, how can we force them to bring back
No,
the
Lordship,
scheme?
the entire scheme is continuing, Lordship. It is up to 31st March 2026, Annex 3. Annex 3, in between these interim order have come up, Lordship. Scheme is already still there, Lordship. At least to
My lord, that was
31st March
the earlier order,
2026.
then the next order, it was discontinued, my lord.
Lordship, that cannot be, Lordship, because under the ZKMS, both the AFMU and the DAMOs are continuing, Lordship. Annex 3, page 27. Lordship. And our original appointment order is also under ZKMS. Page 23 onwards.
You have not filed your wakalatnama here?
I have filed also, it may not be in the, we have filed also.
Mr. Why this subsequent decision at page? This is by the government. You just clarify that.
Yes, in fact, it was placed before the Ministry of Finance. There is
Get a note,
Yes.
something, so that we can proceed with the matter. On the prayer of Mr. R.K.D. Chaudhary, Learned Deputy SGI, registry to list these matters again on 6/8, will do, or a little bit more time.
Lordship, a little longer date.
11/8/2025, on which date Mr. Chaudhary shall apprise this court with regard to the continuance of the Gramin Krishi Mosam Seva. So inasmuch as it is the contention of the petitioner, learned counsel for the petitioner, that the said scheme stood extended up to 31/3/2026, while a communication dated 31/3/2022, which is however disputed by the learned counsel for the respondents.
Lordship, regard, they are not getting the salary, Lordship, after continuing.
Let us see if the scheme is there, we will give you everything. Don't worry about it.
One more pair, Lordship, only the council, Mr. A Talukdar, myself and PJ Talukdar, they are appearing, the other names may be deleted. Lordship.
Let it be there. Mr. Littldas' name is already reflected.
Public.
What has happened to the processing?
Yes, Lordship, it is already started. The accountant general, Lordship, we have forwarded all the papers to the.
Papers have
office
been,
of the
who is
accountant
appearing for the accountant general?
general. Lordship, they are not a party to the petition.
Oh. Hajage, you will have to file an impleading application. Okay. Family pension. Ms. R. Bora, Learned, Standing Counsel, Agriculture Department, on instructions has submitted that the pension proposal in respect of the family pension proposal in respect of the petitioner has already been forwarded to the Accountant General bracketed A&E Assam. Also, however, it is seen that the Accountant General A&E is not a party respondent in the present proceeding. Also, this court accordingly directs for impleading the Accountant General A&E Assam as a party respondent number 5 in the present writ petition. A copy of the writ petition be served upon the Learned Standing Counsel, Mr. B. Chakraborty, Learned Standing Counsel, Accountant General, A&E Assam, within 2 working days from today. Also, petitioner to file an amended cost title within 2 working days. Also, registry to list this matter again after a week, reflecting the name of the Standing Counsel AG in the cost title.
And the date may be fixed.
You do it. 1 week it will come, madam. It will come. Don't worry. Just do these things. Let them do it in the CIS. It will come.
Obliged.
Because then we can ask them to process the matter. What it is.
Obliged.
Family pension matter. That's why I allow. Even.
Finally, there is the order dated 23/5, my lord. The standing counsel PNR.
That division bench order.
Division.
Yes.
Lordship,
There is already a direction from the division bench. You have not even cared to file an affidavit.
no, Lordship, in that division bench's judgment and order, we preferred an IA for clarification. Although that IA was disposed of,
Discuss.
that clarification which was given was not in tune with what we sought for.
But that
So
then
we are
put it
filing
before
a-
the Supreme Court.
No, we are filing a review. So it has been prepared, we'll be filing the review against that IA.
That you do whatever, but this order is binding on me. How can I go beyond this order? A detailed order and without any ambiguity, the things have been brought up.
Yes, Lordship, the clarification,
Now implement. Oh, we are coming on you.
please let the review be filed and it be taken up and decided.
I'm giving you 2 weeks time. Do whatever you want to do.
Some more time.
If not, we can't give you 2 weeks time. If not, we'll proceed with we are bound by the division bench order.
Yes, but the division bench order, we
Only Fazlal Rabi need not even be brought in. Otherwise also you have there are orders of the learned single judge also.
So many orders. my lord.
There is an order of you can contact Mr. Tonoy Chakraborty or D. Chaudhary.
My lord.
There is an order, Gaon Panchayat, same thing, post created. Subsequently, they were given a retrospective creation of regularized retrospective creation of posts. Then they said, no, you will not be considered for, this will not be considered for pension and pension benefits. But therein, there was another notification wherein from 2003, when they posts were created, they were considered for ACP. ACP can only be in regular scale. Unfortunately, I appeared for the petitioners in those matters. On the prayer of Mr. A.K. Ghosh, Leonard, Standing Council, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, who submits that he be granted, Mr. A.K. Ghosh, Mr. A.K. Ghosh, Leonard, Standing Council, Panchayat and Rural Development Department submits that he be granted 2 weeks' time to complete his instructions in the matter. 3 weeks' time to complete his instructions in the matter. Post up. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks. Post up. 3 weeks. We'll see. Let them do whatever they want to do.
Obliged. May I please, your Lord?
Yes,
Okay, but filing this petition, Lordship, the notification dated.
we got it. But the affidavits have not come. No affidavit is being filed.
No, Lordship.
You're not interested to file affidavits.
Far as 10 is concerned, we have no
No.
much role. It's the government who has to file that.
Yes, madam, who is appearing for the government?
Lordship.
Urban Development Department, who appears? You appearing? Why no affidavit has come on record?
Lordship, sometime may be granted, Lordship.
How much time? 3
1 week,
o'clock?
Lordship.
3 o'clock? Time only?
1 week, Lordship.
1 week. Can you
The file is
file
also
within 1 week?
weeks, Lordship, that is.
I'll give you 2 weeks' time, but ensure that affidavit is.
Yes, Lord.
Your name?
P. Das, Lordship.
Heard Mr. P. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. U. Sharma, Learned, also heard Ms. U. Sharma, Learned Government Advocate, and Mr. Government Advocate appearing for the state respondents, and Mr. R. Dubey, Learned Counsel, Standing Council, Election Commission,
State election.
State Election Commission appearing for the respondent number 10. Ms. U. Sharma prays that she be granted 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by her. Full stop. On the prayer of Ms. U. Sharma, the matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks. Full stop. On the next date of listing, on or before the next date of listing, the state respondents shall invariably bring on record their stand by way of filing an affidavit.
Obliged, Lordship.
Good morning, Lordship. I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
Yeah, please, your Lordship.
Item number 15.
New counsel is appearing good, but should.
No issue. Yes.
May it please your Lordship.
Ah.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, Lordship.
What happened?
Only 2 weeks' time may be granted
Why?
to file our affidavit, Lordship.
Lordship, I would like to mention that the opportunity
Yes,
to file
what do you have to say?
the opportunity to file affidavit in opposition was given to them in February. The opposition, Lordship, am I
Getting
audible?
old, so you should raise your voice a bit.
Am I audible, Lordship?
You're audible, but very feeble.
I would like to mention that the opportunity to submit affidavit in opposition was given to them in February. In the meantime,
Okay.
4 months have already elapsed.
We reject their prayer. Now you satisfy me why we should come in your favor. Your contract expired on 1/1/2025.
Right, Lordship, but
Right.
right,
And you filed this writ petition on 30/1/2025 after the expiry of the contract period.
right.
So how can we bring you back?
Lordship,
If you have
I-
anything, go before under the specific relief act before the civil court, claim damages.
No. Lordship, I would like to mention the landmark judgment laid down by the Supreme Court in Uma Devi. The petitioner
his
has
name?
already,
Lordship, D. Dev.
Huh?
D. Dev.
Mr. Dev, I'm sorry, you're not very much audible.
Lordship, the petitioner has already completed more than 10 years of his service
Be
with
that
the
as it may,
respondents.
it's contractual. You show me after expiry of the contract how we can put you in. Show
Lordship,
me the
as
decisions of the Supreme Court.
part the landmark judgment of Honorable Supreme Court passed in Uma Devi.
Passed in?
Uma Devi.
Uma Devi will have no application here.
Lordship,
You're
Uma
not
Devi,
appointed against any post.
there is an appointment
When
order.
was your first date of engagement?
It was in 9th of July 2013.
Uma Devi 10 years in 2006.
Lordship, but Uma Devi, it was mentioned that it was,
Cannot have a continuing effect.
but using the
Whoever
judgment of
were
Uma
there
Devi,
Working against a para 53, whoever were there, working against a sanction post, irregular appointments, one-time measure, regularization. You were not even born in that day. You were born only in 2013.
Lordship, but referring to the judgment of Uma Devi, in 2024, another judgment was passed by the Supreme Court in Jago versus Union of India. And referring the judgment of Uma Devi,
Jago is in the facts of that case, but that may not have a application here because your contract was already over before you came before this court.
Lordship, but if my contract is not over, I cannot.
We can't direct them. How was your recruitment? Initial recruitment?
Recruitment was done through due process of law, Lordship. By following due process of law, I have also
Did you
attached
sit in
the.
an AC room before being selected. I mean, was there an interview?
There was an
Selection
interview.
process. Where have you stated?
I have mentioned it in my petition, Lordship. I have also attached
Where
the
have you
appointment order.
mentioned that in your petition, Mr. Counsel?
I have mentioned in para 3, Lordship.
Okay, let us see.
There was a selection committee meeting that was held on 8th-9th July 2013.
Okay.
And the petitioner was appointed through due process of law.
Wait, who prevented you from filing? Who prevented you from filing?
Only 2 weeks time may be granted, Lordship. We will file our affidavit, Lordship.
Miss,
Lordship, they have been
Devi, Lordship,
seeking
on
time
behalf
since
of Mr.
February.
SP Chaudhary.
huh?
They have been seeking time since February. In the meantime, 4 months have already elapsed. Multiple dates.
Counsel appearing for the
Respondent number 226.
respondent number 2 submits that the affidavit on behalf of the respondent represented by her would be filed, invariably be filed on or before 4/8/2025. The petitioner thereafter may bring on record his rejoinder on or before 11/8/2025. Registrate to list this matter again on 18/8/2025. No further time would be granted to the respondents to file affidavit in the matter.
Lordship, can I make one simple prayer? In the meantime, the respondents have been issuing notices for my eviction. They want to evict me from my quarter.
If they do it, you bring that by way of a miscase, we will take care of it.
I would like to seek permission of the court to submit a separate affidavit.
Yes.
I would like to seek permission of the court to submit an affidavit, bringing the subsequent events into the light of the court.
You are at liberty, no problem. We have not restricted you.
Much obliged, Lordship.
And the affidavit for vetting here, Lordship. The sworn affidavit has not been returned back. Lordship.
311.
Yes,
Two.
my lord. Now the petitioner is going to retire in September only.
Ms. Sharma. How is this ground relevant to complete the provisions of the other? That he is evading arrest, can it be a ground? You can always have an ex parte proceeding. You can always have an ex parte. There is no other ground assigned. Page 32, second paragraph. We are not very sanguine about it. Ground.
One thing that they have changed. Around 29 days, suspend me and say that department proceeding, next day terminate me saying it's not possible.
This is not the ground.
Upon a high court judgment which is in my favor, I'm interpreting that.
Where?
The Lordship would see.
In the present proceeding, it's there.
Yes, no, reference of a high court order.
Where?
Right in the impugn order.
What is this? What is this order?
But this say that in exceptional circumstances only that can be done. So they have to show it's an exception circumstance.
No, this is not an exceptional circumstance. This is a very serious power. You'll have to implement, invoke it in very, very exceptional circumstances only. Security of the state, that if that is done, there would be a law and order problem, this, that, whatever it is.
Directed to produce the record of.
Heard Mr. R. Dubey, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Ms. U. Sharma, learned government advocate, appearing for the respondents. Ms. U. Sharma prays that the affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by her submits that the affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by her would be invariably be filed on or before. No, no, I want a date. No, tomorrow,
Within-
Monday. Monday,
Tuesday, Lordship.
you'll file the affidavit.
Yes, Lordship. Tuesday or Wednesday, Lordship.
Of the court, 30/8/7/2025. Also, raised it to list this matter again on August, list this matter again on 11/8/2025. First up, on the next date of
Can it
listing,
be a day either earlier or later, my lord?
12/8. On the next date of listing, Ms. Sharma shall produce the original records wherein the order dated 30/6/2023 was so issued.
Can I pray for 13th, my lord?
13, okay, 13.
Deep level.
Affidavit plus the records. And you examine this issue,
On 13th August, Lordship.
August. You examine this issue, whether for evading arrest also provisions of 311(2) can be.
IA as well as the interim pair are identical, my lord. So I am not pressing the IA, but on interim prayer, my lord, I beg to state that the impugn order may be stayed. Otherwise, I may be absent from service.
Where is that impugn order?
In the main writ petition, my lord.
Case 1.
Page 160,
122.
122.
116 onwards.
Or the order of the,
Educational tribunal.
Education tribunal. My appointment has been declared as illegal.
we'll examine it.
Yes.
We'll examine it.
Yes,
Today it's come for orders, we'll have it for admission hearing and then examine it.
yes.
You are paying for response number 5. Huh?
Response number 1.
1.
My lord, one important thing is to be pointed out. My lord, although this order, provincialization or appointment order has already been cancelled, set aside by the tribunal, but still he is getting salary. Despite the communication has been made to the authorities, lordship. They themselves, lordship,
Heard Mr. N. Barbia, learned counsel for the petitioner. NH Mazhar Bhuiyan, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 1. And Ms. D. Mushahari, learned standing counsel, secondary education department appearing for the respondent number 2 and 4. And Ms. U. Sharma, learned government advocate appearing for the respondent numbers 3. Seen the order of the Laujima Court dated 28/5/2025, which reveals that the service of notice upon the respondent number 5 is complete. First, in view of the above, raised to list those matters again for admission hearing on a date after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
kindly lordship, date may be given, lordship.
2 weeks you make a mention. We will have it recovered, don't worry. We'll have it recovered. Let it come up for admission hearing, we will have it recovered. You file a small affidavit to that effect. That this aspect has been brought in. That he is getting salaries.
Getting salary in response to the IA.
Ms. Mushari,
I have filed.
look into the matter. How can their appointment has already been terminated? Till we pass orders, how can he be paid? Look into.
Here the name of the government advocate.
Hisana, reflecting the name of the government advocate Assam.
Problem.
My reason of.
Well, in this case, my lord, placed before the Lojima court, my lord, according to the Lojima court order, service was completed, my lord. But till that, probably affidavit is not filed, my lord.
In the Lojima court order dated 35, which reveals that the service of notice of the respondent and is complaint. Also, your Jiutin, A.K. Azad. Mr. A.K. Azad, learned counsel for the petitioner, or Mr. R. Dhar, learned counsel appearing for the learned standing counsel.
No, my lord, here,
Learned additional senior government advocate appearing for the respond number 1 and 2. Two also, 1 and
3.
1 and 3.
This, my lord.
Submits that he be granted 2 weeks time to complete his instructions in the matter. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter after 2 weeks. Mr. A.K. Azad, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present for admission hearing. Go anybody. After 2 weeks for admission hearing.
One of my colleague, I have informed her to inform me in respect to item number 9, lordship. I was in court number 10, lordship. 9.
Hey, none appears bole ase noy. 9 to eto kati dibo dia hoda to. Heard Mr. A. Khanikar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. K. Gogoi, deputy SGI, appearing for the state respondents. Full stop. As prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter on 31/7/2025 for admission hearing. Because that qualification has to be.
Equivalence part, equivalent part.
Mr. Das, the service of notice upon the respond number 5, 7 to 16 is not complete.
Lordship, actually, we have served, lordship.
Come to Annexure C.
Yes, lordship. Below the advocate, Ishan Borthakur, lordship.
You just see. Please find here with a copy of extra petition which is being filed before the court today. This is only extra petition.
Extra petitions, your lordship.
But where is that?
And
This
that
is for
too-
service of notice upon respondent number. You have to serve it through the office of the respondent number 5, not through the learned counsel. See the order.
Even he is not the engaged advocate of the S105.
See the.
Copies shall be forward, copies shall be served to the office of the respondent number 5, who shall in turn forward the same to the respondent.
Commissioner and Secretary, Government of Assam, Public Health Engineering.
And Animan Bro is for S102, 2, 3 and 4, not
Four.
for S105.
So there is some error in
Some
taking
error
of
is
steps.
Yes, lordship.
Copies shall be served to the office of the respondent, who shall in turn forward the same to the respective role, so and so. Mr. DJ Das submits that he shall take steps for service of notice upon respondent 6, 7 to 16 through the office of the respondent number 5 in terms of the directions passed by this court wide order dated 5/5/2025 within a period of 1 week from today. Full stop. On taking of such steps, the petitioner shall file an affidavit bringing on record the acknowledgement of the said notices by the respondent number 5. Full stop. The respondent number 5 thereafter shall effect services of the notices upon the respondent number 7 to 16 and file an affidavit envisaging the completion of such service of notice upon the said respondents. Full stop. Registry to list those matters again after 4 weeks.
Lordship.
6.
Very good. Huh? Saturday fever.
Our name may be recorded in the last Saturday.
Okay. Uporot likha. Tar agot likhiba. heard Mr. DJ Das, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. A, you are appearing for?
But I'm for 2, 3 and 4 APSC.
Mr.
PP Dotto for
PP Dotto, learned standing counsel APSC. Mr. Deepamanyu,
6. Respondent number 6.
standing counsel,
Higher education.
higher education for respondent number 6. Mr. Ardhar, learned additional senior government advocate for respondent number 1. It was serially correct. Otherwise, it's Saturday you come and then miss out. But I'm breaking a tradition in my Gurukul family. In my Gurukul, the tradition was Saturday was a holiday. And somebody else is also breaking it. You got my point? Ah.